Zero Accounting Tutorial. Managing your finances is one of the most important parts of running a successful business, but it also the area many businesses owners struggle with the most. From keeping track of invoices to staying on top of expenses and making sure taxes are filed correctly, accounting can easily become overwhelming. That's exactly why cloud-based accounting software like Xero has become such a game changer. Xero is designed to take the complexity out of accounting and make financial management easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. Whether you're a freelancer just starting out, a small business owner managing a growing team, or even a mid-sized company looking for smarter bookkeeping solutions, Xero provides a clean, modern platform that simplifies everything. In this video, we'll walk through the key features that make Xero one of the most trusted accounting platforms in 2025. By the end, you'll see how it can help you save time, reduce manual work, and gain better visibility into your financial health. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the easy invoicing and payment tracking. One of the first things new users love about Xero is how simple it makes invoicing. Instead of creating invoices in Word or Excel and hoping clients pay on time, Xero lets you create professional, branded invoices in just a few clicks. You can even set recurring invoices for regular clients, schedule automatic reminders for overdue payments, and connect payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, or Go Cardless so customers can pay instantly online. Faster invoicing and online payments mean improved cash flow for your business. You won't have to spend hours chasing payments because Xero does the follow up for you. Having this kind of automation in place not only saves time, but also makes your business look more professional. Another key feature is the bank feeds and automatic reconciliation. Manual data entry is one of the biggest headaches in accounting, and this is where Xero really shines. By securely connecting your business bank accounts and credit cards, transactions automatically flow into Xero every day. The system then uses smart matching to suggest where those transactions should go, whether it's matching a payment to an invoice or categorizing an expense. Instead of spending hours every week entering transactions, reconciliation becomes a matter of just reviewing and approving. Another key feature is the expense tracking and receipt management. Every business owner knows how quickly receipts and small expenses can get out of control. Xero simplifies this by letting you track expenses digitally. Using the mobile app, you can snap a photo of a receipt, and Xero automatically extracts key details like the vendor, date, and amount. You can then categorize it and even assign it to a project or client. This makes tax season a lot less stressful. No more lost receipts or last minute scrambling to organize paperwork. Every expense is logged, categorized, and stored in one place. Another key feature is the real time financial reporting. Xero isn't just about day to day bookkeeping, it's about giving you insights into the bigger picture. The platform provides real time dashboards, cash flow summaries, profit and loss statements, and balance sheets. These reports can be customized to show the exact information you need, and you can easily share them with your accountant or stakeholders. Having this level of visibility helps you make smarter business decisions. Instead of guessing where your money is going, you'll always have a clear picture of your financial health. Another key feature is the collaboration and integrations. Xero was designed with collaboration in mind. You can invite your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members to work inside Xero with you. Each user can have customized access levels, so your staff might only see what they need, while your accountant has full visibility. This flexibility means Xero can adapt to your business instead of forcing you to change your workflow. So, why is Xero accounting a great choice? The reason so many businesses choose Xero comes down to one word: simplicity. Unlike traditional accounting software that can feel complicated and outdated, Xero is modern, intuitive, and built for business owners who may not have a background in accounting. It eliminates manual work with automation, gives you visibility through real time reporting, and provides the flexibility to connect with the other tools you're already using. In 2025, this kind of cloud based accessibility is more important than ever. You can log in from your laptop, tablet, or phone, and your data is always up to date and secure. If you're traveling, working from home, or managing a remote team, Xero gives you the freedom to access your financial information from anywhere. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur looking to stay organized or a growing company needing a reliable system that scales, Xero adapts to your needs. It helps you stay compliant, reduces the risk of mistakes, and ultimately gives you confidence in your numbers. So basically, to wrap it up, Xero is more than just accounting software. It's a complete financial management solution. With easy invoicing, automated bank feeds, streamlined expense tracking, powerful reporting, and seamless collaboration, it takes the stress out of bookkeeping and gives you back valuable time to focus on your business. So if you're tired of messy spreadsheets, missed invoices, or guessing where your money is going, Xero is absolutely worth considering in 2025. It brings clarity, efficiency, and peace of mind to your finances, making it one of the best accounting tools available today. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.